Hi everybody, it's Miss B with Story. Today's story is Big Words for Little People. Jamie Lee Curtis wrote this and Laura Cornell is our illustrator. They have done a whole series of books and they show it on the back cover. All of those books they've written together and they're really awesome stories. We'll read some more at another time, but today is Big Words for Little People. And here's our inside pages. Those are called the end pages. And then, turned a little too far, here's our title page with the name of the book again, author and illustrator, and even the name of the publisher, Joanna Coulter Books, which is part of HarperCollins Publishers. That's the people who put it all together. So, I know some big words. I'll teach them to you. Although you are small, you can use big words too. Big words aren't scary. They're big fun to learn. I was taught one and now it's your turn. If you need some time to just be left alone, for doing weird dancing, to sit still as a stone. If someone is there and you need to pee, then say loud and clear, hey, I need privacy. Yep, she doesn't want anybody else in there. When mommy can't fasten the brand new car seat and the twins don't like what they've got to eat, this is impossible, Mom says to us, please. We can't leave for school until you help find the keys. Oops. Sometimes pages get stuck to each other. That's all right. If you answer right when you spell a big word, your teacher might shout, stupendous, superb. And then you can celebrate, laugh, and have fun because you've worked really hard to get the job done. These pages are sticking. When you are at school and you get into trouble for chewing your gum, then exploding a bubble, and you stay inside when your friends get to play, your consequence is no recess that day. When Dad takes us shopping to buy new shoes, and all of us shout, this one I choose, and the salesman looks angry. He's pretty irate, another word for angry. Dad wants us to behave and cooperate. That's to get along and do what they say to do. When something is perfectly right for your age, like TV and music, toys, all the rage. When a G-rated movie's the one that you seek, appropriate is the word Mom will speak. But many things are too old for you that lots of your friends may still get to do. Inappropriate is the word our mom picks if you want to watch PG-13 when you're only 6. When you wait and you wait for your chance at a turn and your feet are both hot and starting to burn and there's still a long way to the front of the line, patience is the word you must try to find. Lots of big words here, but they're okay. Little people can use them too. Mixing stuff up from the kitchen to drink that looks really gross and has a big stink as our green snotted brother's nose starts to get picked. Disgusting, you'd cry. It means yucky and ick. Ugh. Don't pick your nose. To understand means you know what we say. A street is for cars. It's not safe to play. You understand cows make milk and not juice. That you don't run on duck, but you do run on goose. Inconsiderate is the word Dad would pick if you woke up Mom when she's feeling sick. But if you brought her a flower and tea, a considerate person is what he would see. I'm responsible, you say, when you pick up your toys and walk our dog out, Leo, and try not to make noise. Responsible people try not to forget to water mom's bonsai or the table to set. Persevere, big word for this year, is to try and to try, even though you might want to give up and cry. When doing a puzzle that puzzles your mind, you persevere till the right piece you find. Different means nobody's ever the same. All bodies are different, and so are all brains. Different is what makes this world so great. Different is never something to hate. But not all big words are as long as the rest. There are 3, though short, that I love the best. Family is where we all belong, keeping us safe, making us strong. Family is yours no matter whatever. We care about you forever and ever. Respect is the way we all treat each other. Mother to father, father to mother, brother to sister, sister to brother and sister and brother. I went all the way down the line of the kids here. This one's fun. Look at this. It goes this way. Love is the biggest biggest word of all. 4 little letters that help you walk tall. Love is your family, your siblings, your friends. Love is your ocean without any end. See, big words are easy. How well you've done. Now go off and have some really great fun. And next time a grown-up thinks you don't have sense, show them with big words your intelligence. And that, my dear, is the end of Big Words for Little People. I hope you enjoyed. Have a cookie-licious day.